Hausa came back for a term cut short when power was taken by an Hausa gunshot. Every time I ask, people tell me Nigeria became independent in 1960, and furthermore, to show she was truly free, she became a republic in 63, meaning the Queen was no longer the head of state, meaning that we're now masters of our fate, meaning that powers over Nigerians could not only be held by a Nigerian. It was why we sang and danced in the night, why we lit fires that burned through the night, why we chose a flag colored in freedom, for now we'll be kings in this our kingdom. But our first head of state was Igbo, and the next, though a soldier, also Igbo. Then Angas would followed by Hausa, then came the turn of Yoruba. Then Hausa came back for a term cut short when power was taken by an Hausa gunshot. And Yoruba returned not once but twice, but Hausa returned but died in peace. So when the tribes gather, I often wonder, who will I fight when you're both my brothers? Nobody asked when we were children, before we play, are you a Muslim? We shared the space that nobody claimed, but now you ask me to choose a side. When we were students, nobody asked if North and South could share a desk, if East and West could study together. But now you tell me that I'm a stranger. Stranger? Yes, to these ways of thinking that tribe is everything. Niger and Benue, they meet in my hand. I'm not an indigent, but this is my land. And this is my language, I speak nothing else. My home is here, I know nothing else. My tribe is my nation, I have nothing else. And this is my country, I have nowhere else. And so, while this flag of ethnicity still flutters over the land of shining rivers, I look to the future. My name is Ishege Happiness, and happy Independence Day.